Hi, I'm crane operator Jim, and I've got one of the best jobs on the construction site. I get to pick these things up and move them around and get to play with this big equipment, and I get paid for doing this, and it's fun. Lever that makes the boom go up and down, makes the load come to the crane or away from the crane. Right now I'm bringing the boom up so I get my ball over the very center of the load. This lever makes the load go up on the single line that we're using to pull these beams with. This lever here makes the big go up and down, but we're not using that today. Lever over here in my left hand is the swing lever that makes the crane move back and forth. Now that's come out of the beam bed there, so we'll move that over where the guys can take the things off the end of it and write the numbers on it so we know where it goes in the building. It's just like big Tinker Toys. They have a place that's already picked out where they have to go in the building, and they have to be numbered so that they don't forget where they go.
Now that is a really big crane. That's called a tower crane. You got to be a little careful on construction sites because it's pretty. It's a little bit dangerous, so you got to be careful where you walk and stuff. Mike, how you doing?
Hey, pretty good, Dave.
Mike is the crane operator. Mike is going to take us up there. Now, how high is this crane?
It's 240 feet high, Dave.
That's pretty high, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Well, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. Where's that elevator?
There's no elevator on this crane, Dave. We'll be taking the ladder all the way to the top.
All the way to the top.
All the way. What's
a
the matter, Dave? You afraid of heights?
No, I'm not afraid of heights.
Well, then let's go up, Dave.
I don't think I'm afraid of heights. I think I can do it. How high was that? Oh, man. I'm not afraid of heights. I'm not afraid of heights.
Halfway up yet.
I'm coming. Oh boy. I'm not afraid of heights. I'm not afraid of heights. I'm not afraid of heights. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of heights. 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 I can do this. I can do this. I can do this. I know I can do this. I'm not afraid of heights. 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 Oh, man. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. afraid of heights. Ah!
Hi kids, we're up on the top of the tower crane now. Let me show you how it works. We have two levers here, joysticks, almost like a video game. The right hand joystick, push it to make the hook go down, pull to make the hook go up. On the left hand stick, we push left to make the crane swing left, push it right to make the crane swing right. Pull the left lever in, and it makes the hook come towards me. Push it out, and it makes the hook go out. By doing all of these functions at one time, I can help the men on the ground.
Well, if you're like me, you've probably seen these big cranes at construction sites and wondered, well, not only what it would be like to be up in the crane this high off the ground, but what it would be like to be out on the end of the crane. So I've talked Mike into giving me that experience. This is an experience that few people ever have. This is the basket that they use for maintenance on the crane. So we're going to go out to the very end, and then he's going to turn it. Wow, let's go. Okay, Mike.
Back on the ground, the construction crews are hard at work, hammering, hauling, and welding.
Well, we've been at a construction site today, a very busy construction site, and we've been talking to people, so I want to stop and talk to Tracy. This is Tracy Yost. Tracy, what is your job here?
Well, Dave, I'm called an operating engineer,
Uh-huh.
and I run this forklift right here.
Now-
This is a grade-all forklift.
It's called a what?
A grade-all. You see the name on the side
Uh-huh.
there? Grade-all forklift.
And it's used for what?
Well, we use it to pick up anything that needs to be lifted high up so the men can get to it.
Okay.
It can pick up about 8,000 pounds. That's a lot.
Hey, what's this?
Well, this is my radio. This is so I can talk to all the crews,
All the crew?
and they can call me and tell me what they need.
We don't have construction foreman today. Can I borrow that?
Sure.
I'm gonna just I just talk to everybody.
That's right.
Okay, guys, this is construction foreman Dave. You've been working too hard today. It's time to shut down and go home. Is there a signal for that?
Shut down and go home.
I did it again.
Dave, you have to remember you're not a real construction foreman.
Wow, now this is another totally awesome machine, and we're about to visit another totally awesome construction site. You know, before you can build one of those buildings, you gotta have a road to get to it. Now we're going to see how some of these machines are used in making roads and highways.
The first step in building a road is to cut a path for the road with the bulldozer. Then the dirt has to be squished down until it's hard and flat. Next, concrete is poured